Hey everyone, and welcome back. So, have you ever thought about how technology could totally shake up the world of HVAC?
Yeah, it's a field that's ripe for disruption.
Right. We found this fascinating article written for HVAC business owners
hmm
that suggests using AI chatbots for customer support and stuff. It's pretty wild.
Yeah, the potential there is huge. I mean, think about it. 24/7 on-demand support.
That's like a dream come true, right? Especially when your AC decides to die in the middle of the night.
Exactly. No more waiting until business hours to get help.
So how does this actually work? Are we talking like little robot technicians that crawl through the vents or something?
Not quite. Think of it more like an intelligent assistant that's always available.
Okay,
These chatbots are trained on all sorts of HVAC knowledge, troubleshooting steps, that kind of thing.
hmm,
So let's say your AC starts blowing warm air.
been there.
Right. The chat bot could walk you through some basic checks like, hey, is your thermostat set correctly? Have you checked the air filter recently?
Oh, so it's like having a virtual HVAC tech guiding you through those simple fixes.
Exactly. And, a lot of times that's all it takes to get things up and running again.
That makes a ton of sense. But what happens if it's something more serious? Like you actually need a real technician to come out.
Well, that's where things get really interesting. A well-designed chatbot can seamlessly transition from providing guidance to actually booking a service appointment for you.
So it's not just about answering questions, it's about streamlining the entire customer experience.
Absolutely. It can even gather all the necessary information like your location, the type of system you have. So when you do need a technician, they're already up to speed.
Wow, that's impressive. No more spending hours on the phone explaining your problem over and over again.
Exactly. The whole process is so much smoother for everyone involved. And honestly, even if the chatbot can't solve the problem outright, just knowing that you can get help anytime is a huge relief.
I bet. Now, before we dive into the benefits for HVAC businesses, I gotta ask,
Yeah.
how hard is this to set up? Do you need to be some kind of tech wizard to make this happen?
It's surprisingly simple these days. There are platforms like OpenAI that handle the heavy lifting.
OpenAI, that's the company behind all those AI tools, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
They have tools for natural language processing, which basically means the chat bot can understand and respond to human language, not just robotic commands. And then you customize it with all your HVAC specific knowledge.
So it's like building a custom brain for your chatbot.
Pretty much. You train it on common issues, troubleshooting steps, local regulations, all that good stuff. And then you just gotta get it out there.
Right, put it to work.
Yeah, integrate it into your website, your social media pages,
Mhm.
even your Google business profile. The more people interact with it, the smarter it gets.
Okay, so let's talk benefits. Why should HVAC business owners be jumping on this chatbot bandwagon?
Well, this article laid out some pretty compelling reasons.
Hmm.
First off, think about the trust factor.
Oh, yeah, good point.
By offering genuine help up front, even if it doesn't immediately lead to a sale, you're positioning yourself as a reliable resource. You're basically saying, hey, we're here to help, even if you don't end up hiring us.
Right, it's like building that relationship before you even need their services.
Exactly. And in the long run, that can lead to more loyal customers.
Makes sense.
Then there's the visibility aspect. You've got this 24/7 brand ambassador out there engaging with potential customers, people who might not even know you exist yet. It's a powerful way to increase your reach without having to hire a bunch of extra staff.
And I bet it frees up your existing staff to handle the more complicated issues. The article mentioned something about reducing call volume, didn't it?
Yeah, it did. Think about all those basic questions that come in every day. Thermostat settings, filter changes, things that the chatbot can easily handle. Now, your human employees can focus on those tougher diagnostic calls, the ones that actually require their expertise.
Hmm.
It makes the whole operation so much more efficient.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. We've gone from frantic late night phone calls to AI-powered customer service that can handle everything from troubleshooting to scheduling. It's kind of mind-blowing.
It really is. And it makes you wonder if AI can be this effective in the HVAC world, what other parts of our lives could benefit from this kind of instant, accessible support?
Yeah, it's pretty exciting to think about. Well, thanks for breaking all that down for us. This has been a fascinating deep dive into the world of HVAC chatbots. We'll be back next week with another deep dive into an interesting tech topic. See you then.